It should have happened, and it will happen today. So, an ostrich egg. The unfertilized ostrich egg, which is sold in stores next to chicken eggs that you regularly buy to eat. Inside there is no ostrich. Today I will try to cook this egg, but you know that cooking is not my hobby, so I will do it as I can. It seems to me that molten copper will simply jump off the shell of the egg and nothing will happen. So I decided to pour molten copper directly inside the egg. For this I will make a small hole in it. Well, everything is ready. So guys, let's do it. Jeez, have you seen that? It was both boiling and frying at the same time. But the cool thing is that the bottom part of the egg just burned. Look at this. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. Well, I've told you, cooking is not my hobby. Now look at this fried egg. Now I want to eat. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. And hit that thumbs up button, guys, don't forget to do that.